about to go fishing. I got my broken fishing rod though. You see, I got my brother too and my fishing rod over there, fam. That's how we do it. In the world is usually scared of them. Shrimp over there. And that's our Golden Gate Bridge over there, man. So our Windsor, our new Windsor Detroit Golden Gate Bridge. Just the upgrade. That's the old one. Look at the old one. Beautiful, beautiful though. Beautiful.
That nigga's drunk. That nigga's drunk. He jumped.
He took like a whole bag of mushrooms too, so you don't see him tripping. He was just talking like that one native guy. He was like, I just took mushrooms an hour ago. So he said it. But yeah, check out my rest belt. Check out my rest belt. Little tie like that. The ground is purple and green. Purple, green. Alright, look at. Thank you. Woo! Whatever it's called. Got it in there. Trying to catch the cats. It's like oh my god. Like, looks like we're on the sand. Right? Oh my
Just took
god.
some mushrooms an hour ago.
What? Yeah. No! Oh my goodness. What the hell? Are you serious? You guys don't see that? Yo, I never ever. Look at that! See that? No!
You said you're gonna kill Mike because he took those mushrooms?
Yeah! I took those mushrooms, yeah, my bad. It looks like, everything looks like waves, eh? Like... Damn, I couldn't keep seeing my arm. Damn. Yeah, see the sun, it keeps coming up and stuff, right? Pause. Well, see that? It's not real, right? That's not real. It's not real. But you know what's crazy is that but yo, can you see it's pink right now? It's pink. See it? Now it's blue. See that? It looks like sand though, right? See that? Looks like my word. See, like it's damn, that's crazy. You don't understand what I mean. Like look at that. Look, yo, you see that though? Look at right? You gotta see that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's like it looks like see that? This. Right? You see that? Yo, do you see that? These worms right here. Got a little
Nice.
Sorry.
It's as big as my hand.
Sorry.
You know? There's a little guppy. You trying to eat it. But yeah, that's what my survival one.
My big brother OJ, right?
But you know, we ain't gonna eat that. We might have to fry that boil up, right? Cook it later, right?
Yeah.
Ugly little thing. See if we can let it live. There you go.